So hi Ishwar, how are you?
So I'm great, sir. How are you?
I am fine, Ishwar. So Ishwar, we'll start with your introduction. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir, sure, sir. So my name is Ishwar Nandan, and I grew up in a village in a Nasik district where I did my schooling, and after that I did my plus two in pursuing my undergraduation course of civil engineering from D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering Management and Research, and I have also done some internship. And besides from my academics, I love to explore new things. I love to travel, and I also love to interact with people. And I also like to play outside sports, specifically cricket, as I was a vice captain of our college cricket team. So that's all about me.
Okay. Okay. So Ishwar, do you know about the job profile in Byju's? Are you familiar with that?
Yes, yes, I am familiar with it. So it's a business development
Okay.
associate.
So can you tell me? Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So it's related with the sales.
It feels. Okay. So I'll ask a simple question to you first of all. What do you understand by sales and what do you understand by marketing? What is the basic difference between sales and marketing?
Okay, so sales and marketing are two different fields where in marketing basically way of reaching a customer to its product or service and selling that product or service to a client is what sales is. So like for example Shah Rukh Khan is promoting our Byju's app, so that is marketing,
Okay.
and a BDA team
Okay.
is selling their product to the parents is sales. So yeah, that's the difference between
Okay.
sales and marketing.
Okay. So what do you understand? Which is better from your perspective? Like sales is
Okay,
better
so
or marketing is better?
for myself, sales is better as I have more interest in it.
You have interest in sales. Okay.
Yeah. So
So like basically, as I went through your resume, I found you are a
yeah.
BTech civil engineer, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you have ample options in your field in civil engineering. You might have applied there because you have given your 4 years of your life in civil
Yes, sir.
engineering, right? So
Yes,
you
sir.
have ample options. You can apply in your domain. You can try in your domain. Okay. So why do you want to come
Yes,
in
sir.
sales field? It's totally different field from your domain. So why do you want
Yes,
to
I
switch in sales
understand.
field?
Okay, so the reason is that I have been passionate about this business development and sales role from since a long time because
Okay.
during my BE period I have cultural and technical event, and I was also a coordinator of our publicity campaign where we had to publicize our college events to the other colleges in Pune. So at that time I have also managed other groups who were visiting. So I came to know about my this interpersonal skills and my interest. So that increase got increased,
Okay.
and I also I see a better opportunity for myself in this sales career. And as I have invested my 4 years in BTech BE, so that gave me some skills like problem solving skills, so that I can solve the problems of clients. So I don't think it is waste. So I can use that skills in the sales profile. So that's why
But
I
don't you
can.
think, Ishwar,
That's why I applied.
you have wasted 4 years of your career? Don't you think that
No, sir.
you
I
have
don't think.
given 4 years there? Hmm.
No, sir. I don't think like that because it really helped to explore that what my skills and my abilities are. So it helped me for that, and it also improved my problem solving skills. So I can help other clients to
Okay.
solve their problems while selling a app.
Okay.
Yes. So I
Okay.
don't think it
So
as a
Ishwar,
waste.
have you gone to the Byju's application? Have you browsed the
Yes, sir.
application of Byju's mobile application?
Yes, sir. I have downloaded it and I have gone through it.
Okay. So can you tell me three positive point and three negative point about the application?
Okay, so the positive points are that it is a video learning. So you can watch a movie like Lessons, and there are
Okay.
doubt sessions. So second thing is that it has a
Okay.
doubt session after the lecture. So so you can
Okay.
solve your doubt immediately. And the third thing is that
Okay.
it is a leading educational company, is educational edtech company. So it's, I think
Hmm.
these three are its positive points, and I don't think there
Okay.
is any negative point of it.
Okay. So you don't find any negative point in Byju's application? It is perfect as per you?
Yes, sir. Like till now, I have not found any negative point.
Okay. You haven't found any negative point till now. Okay. So how good are you in convincing? Like, what do you feel about yourself? Can you convince people easily, or you find challenging to convince
Yes,
people?
sir. No, so I think I'm really good at convincing people. Like I had
Okay.
experience, like bit experience in college, and as I also convince my friends and family easily, so I don't think that it will be really hard for me.
Okay. Okay. Then we'll test some of your skills. First of all, I want to know what is your convincing skill, how good you are in convincing, right? So
Yeah,
I'll become
sure,
your
sir.
customer for some time. Okay. And I'll be
Okay,
asking some questions to you being a customer. Okay. So suppose the first question to you will be, suppose I am an auto rickshaw driver. Okay. I drive a auto
auto
rickshaw
rickshaw.
every day. Okay. And I am a per day earner. I earn per day by driving
Okay,
auto rickshaw. Okay. And you
okay.
are the salesman of a Audi showroom. Okay.
Of Audi showroom.
Of a Audi showroom. Okay. And I am coming to your shop for some reason. Okay. You have to convince me to buy a Audi. I am an auto rickshaw driver and you have to convince me
Okay,
to buy a Audi. So what will be your approach? I am a customer. I am coming to your shop. Now you are a salesman. Start.
okay, sir. So welcome to our shop, sir. Sir, here we have
Thank you.
having a new brand Audi, and I
Okay.
think it is really great offer. We have really great limited offer, so you
Hmm.
can buy it with a 10% of discount. Like we are having this offer for just for less than like 2 3 days. So I think it have many lot of features in it, like
Okay.
lot of many features. Like it is automatic basically, so you can buy it, and I think you will feel really good, or you will have a great experience after driving this car.
But I
So
drive a
if
auto
you,
rickshaw. So how can you tell me to buy a Audi? Do you think I have that much money? I hardly find like I hardly earn money to feed my family. How can I go for a
yes,
Audi? Like, are you joking with me?
yes, yes, I understand your concerns, but there are some loan policies we have.
Okay.
So through it, you can buy it, and afterwards, like you can earn it. Like you can pay like
Okay. So
monthly.
okay. So what loan policy do you have? How much I have to pay monthly? Tell me.
Okay, so like you need to consult it with our financial consultant. Like they will
Okay.
tell you more in brief. Yeah. So
Okay.
I
Give
don't
me
have.
an average. What amount I have to pay per month? Give me an average amount. Average. I'm not telling you the exact amount. Tell me the average amount. What I have to pay per month.
Okay, so it must be around like 40,000 or 50,000.
40,000 rupees per month.
Yeah.
Do you know what my earning is per month? It is 15,000 rupees. And I have two kids. I have a wife. I have a brother. I
Yeah.
feed all of them. And I am the only earner in my family. And you are asking me to give me 40,000 rupees per month
Yeah,
as
sir.
a like
Okay, sir.
you are telling me to pay an installment.
Yes, sir. I understand it, but I have one solution for you. Like you can use this
Please
car
tell
for
me.
a rent. Like you can drive it, and you can also rent it, like for a day. Like in our area, people are paying thousands of rupees for just rent of 1 hour. So you can do that thing. So you
Okay.
can also have a experience of our car, and you can also earn money at the same time to pay the like EMI of the car.
Ishwar, that is okay. But you are asking me to pay a down payment, right? I have to give a down payment right
Yes,
now
sir.
while receiving the car. So how will I pay that amount? how can I arrange a down payment of lakhs in like few minutes or few
Yes,
like
sir.
hours?
So there are few banks who gave loans, so you can
Okay.
take money from there, and you can, like, after earning, then you can repay it. So it will be a better thing to
Okay.
do.
Cool. Okay, Ishwar, I have the next question for you. Suppose I am using AirPods, Apple AirPods, okay,
Okay, sir.
and you are having a wired earphone, okay.
Okay, okay.
So I am comfortable using the AirPod. I am very happy using that particular AirPod, okay. But you have to convince me to buy a wired earphone, okay. So what will be your approach?
Okay.
I am using an AirPod. I am convenient with that, and now I'm coming to your shop, and you are asking me to buy a
Okay.
wired earphone. Continue.
Okay, sir. So before starting, can I ask you some question, like what mostly purpose do you use your
Yes.
earphones, and like what is your profession?
See, my profession is I am a IT like IT guy. I do a job in IT sector. Okay, and while traveling, while having a call with someone, with my colleagues, with my bosses, while having a meetings, I use this particular airports.
Okay. Okay, sir. Let me tell you some features of this our earphone, wired earphone. So these have a new feature
Okay,
called voice cancellation. So as you said that
okay,
you are using it in you are using it, like you can use it through traffic and all. So this earphone will help you to cancel the noise from outside. So it is the one of the amazing feature that we have. And as we all know that these earpods are quite sensitive. So if you just, like, you have to put them into a case, but we don't have problem like that. Like it also has one more problem of battery. Like at the start, like can you tell me, like, how months you are using this earpods, like they are new, or like you
I have
are
been
use
using
it for
from
months?
8 months, 8 months, 7 to 8 months.
Okay, so 8 months. Okay, so let me tell you, sir, that after like 1 year, these earpods get, like, their battery got decreased, like their capacity of battery get decreased, and you have to charge it repeatedly. But our earphones are wired, so you will never face problem like that. And because of this problem,
So are
you
you telling
can
me?
say,
So are you telling me that I can use this particular earphone for lifetime? It will never get damaged or nothing will happen to this earphone? Is
yes,
it
sir, like we
lifetime
are,
for
no sir,
lifetime?
no sir, it is not lifetime, but we are giving you a guarantee of 2 years. And it, as
Okay.
it is wired, and it is tough, like it is more tough than it, because if you drop a earphone, like this earpods, it will break
Hmm.
or it will cause some damage. But using
Okay.
our earphones, there will be no such thing. Like you can use it like in any way. And these earphones come with water and sweat resistant. So you can you also don't have that problem, so you can also use it like while working out. And
Okay.
so these are some features. And what generally happens, that due to this Bluetooth thing, sometimes you forget to charge your earpods, and in that time you can also miss a important meeting.
Okay.
So you can buy our earphones which don't have anything like Bluetooth or anything, so you cannot miss any meeting or something else. Like you can have a
Okay. So
option.
what is the cost of your earphone, Ishwar?
What? What, sir?
What is the cost of your earphone?
Okay, so our we are currently having a offer, and we are giving a discount of a 20%. So we are just giving it at 800 rupees. So it
800
includes
rupees.
all the amazing offers.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Ishwar, like, are you very serious about this thing that 800 rupees earphone will give me the same feel what I am having with my 14,000 rupees AirPods? So you can confirm me this thing that will this earphone give me the same amount of noise or same amount of audio quality what I am feeling right now with my AirPods of 14,000 rupees. So is it comparable?
So I'm not sure about what quality your earpods give, but we are having a really good quality. Like we have
Okay.
IPX technology, which will
Okay.
give you a really good quality of sound. Like it's enough for meetings and like all the things you do.
Okay.
So I can't compare actually. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So my third question to you, Ishwar, will be: suppose you are a owner of a shop. Okay. In your
Okay.
shop, you sell things like cycle chain, like grips. Okay, and everything you sell. Okay. I have a
Okay.
motorcycle with me. Okay. I am coming to your shop to buy a motorcycle grip. Okay.
Okay.
But you will convince me to buy a cycle chain. I am not having a cycle. I don't use cycle. There is no cycle in my home. Okay, but you have to
Okay.
convince me to buy a cycle chain. So I am coming to your shop. I am asking for a motorcycle grip. Okay. Now, what will be
Okay.
your approach to convince me?
Okay. Okay, so first
Start.
I will start that, sir, we are having actually, yeah, I know you have to buy a, motorcycle grip, but we are having a brand new, brand new cycle chain, which you
Okay.
can use to, where you can, okay, so you can use this chain for like designing purpose in your house, and it is very attractive, and right now we are having a offer that we are having an offer like we are giving it with the 50% discount, so you can buy it, sir.
Okay. But I right now I only want a cycle like motorcycle grip. So why are you trying me to like purchase like why are you trying me to convince me to buy a cycle chain? Because see, I don't have cycle. I don't use cycle. Okay. In my home there is no child who use cycle. So what will I do with the like in my house there are multiple items, decorative items in my home. Okay. So like why will I take the cycle chain for decoration purpose? I have multiple things in my house, right?
Yes, sir.
So why I'll go
Okay,
for a
so
cycle chain?
okay, so okay, sir, so the reason is for convincing that we are having a limiting offer, like limited offer, so we will not give it
Okay.
like on the same price that we are giving now. And the thing you told it, like decorative purpose, like this is new thing in decoration, like many interior design will know that how important these chains will look on your home. So I think you should buy it because it's like new latest decorative way in a house, and it is coming with a very less price.
Okay. Cool. Okay. My next question to you will be, Ishwar, that suppose if I am illiterate, I don't know anything about studies.
Literally.
Okay. I cannot read or write anything. Okay. And you have to sell me a blank sheet, a white paper sheet. Okay. You are owner of a stationery shop. Okay. And you have to sell me
Okay.
a blank white sheet. Okay. So I am illiterate. I don't know anything. I don't know how to read. I don't know how to write. Okay. I am coming to your shop. Now, what will be your approach to me?
Okay. So, sir, we are having a new blank paper here. So it is like
Okay.
not like a normal blank paper. It has having some features like
Okay.
you can erase your writing on this paper easily. Like you don't have to like use another paper. Like we can just remove it by using a small eraser that we are giving with this paper. So it's
Ishwar,
very good.
I don't know how to write. I don't know how to read. So what will I do with this
Yeah,
paper?
sir.
Because see, if I
Yes,
don't
sir.
know, yes.
Yeah, sir. But it will be helpful for your childrens. Like because till then the price of this blank paper will got increased, and so now if you buy
Okay.
it, then it will be like a investment for your children or your,
Okay.
yeah.
So why will I invest right now? I'll have children after few years, right? So that time I can take paper. That time I can take
Yes,
sheet.
sir.
But why
Yes, sir,
right
but
now I have to pay the amount for the sheet?
the thing is that at that time the price will be increased, so it is like an
Okay.
investment that you will like it will be beneficial in after coming after 2 3 years. It will be like around,
Hmm.
it will have more price, like, so you can buy it right now,
Okay.
and you can save some money.
Okay. Your next question will be, Ishwar, that suppose if I am a fond newspaper reader. I like reading newspaper every day. Okay, for hours. Okay. You are having a newspaper shop. I am coming to your shop to buy today's newspaper. Okay. But you have
Yeah.
to sell me a newspaper which is like 5 months old. You are having a newspaper which is 5 months
Okay.
old. Okay. You have to sell me that. And I am coming to your shop to buy the news to buy today's newspaper. Suppose. Okay.
Okay. So, and
So
I
what
have
will be
to
your
sell
approach?
only one newspaper, which
Yes,
is like
only one.
5 months old.
Yes, I am asking for today's newspaper, and you are trying to sell me 5 months old newspaper.
Okay, sir.
Got my point?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. I got. Yes, sir. So, welcome to our
Okay.
shop, sir.
Start.
Here, we are having this 5 month old newspaper. Like you can buy it because it is
Okay.
having very crucial and very important news in it. Like, uh, like it is having very important news, and as you know that old is gold. So, like all we know that, and therefore you can buy this
Old is gold,
newspaper instead
Ishwar.
of
You are
buying
right.
today's news.
You are right, Ishwar.
What?
Old is gold. But I am here to buy today's newspaper. So how will this apply? Like, why will I buy the 5 month old newspaper? I want today's news. I want
Yes,
current news. Yes.
I understand, but you can know like latest news by using some application in mobile or through the TV.
Okay.
But you can't get easily the news of 5 months, like 5 months old. You can get the news of 5 months old news. So you can buy this just like use your TV for that and buy this 5 month old newspaper.
Okay. Okay, Ishwar, my next question to you will be like, how good are you in your studies, in your academics? Like in maths part, or how good you are in that all section, science, maths?
Okay, so overall, I am like good in maths and science in my studies also.
Can you tell me the difference between ratio and fraction?
Ratio and fraction.
Yes,
I think these are.
the basic difference.
I think both are the same, like ratio and
Both
fraction.
so why two names? We can name only one now. If both are same, then why two names? We can name only one. We can name fraction also as ratio, or we can name ratio as fraction. So why we'll take two names? We are taking two different names because both are having different functions, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, I know.
Yes.
So I don't know actually, like what is the
Okay.
difference.
Okay. Do you know what is the Newton's second law?
Yes, sir. Every action has equal and opposite reaction.
I asked second law. Do you know
I
what law this is,
uh,
which you told me
well,
right now?
it must be third.
It is third, actually. So I'm asking second law.
Okay, so I can't remember it. Like
Okay. You can't remember it right now, right?
I have studied it like long time before.
Okay. You have studied what is the first law of Newton?
Hmm? I
First law?
can't recall it, sir, actually.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm
No
not.
problem.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, so I can't.
Okay. Can you tell me E is equals to MC square? Have you heard about this equation?
Yes, sir. I have heard
Do you
about
know whose equation is this? Who gave this equation?
it.
And what is this equation called?
It's Einstein.
Einstein gave this equation. Okay. And what is this equation called? What is the name of the equation? It is having certain name, right? This
Okay.
equation might be having some name.
Yeah. It's having
So do you remember
name.
the name?
I think it's energy equation. Like I'm not sure.
Energy equation. Only energy.
Equ- Energy
Okay.
momentum.
Okay. So I'll ask you some. No issues, no issues, no issues, Ishwar. So I'll be proceeding with some sales question. Okay, some basic sales question. So now
Okay.
assume you are
Yeah.
a BDA of Byju's. Okay, you're already a BDA of
Yeah.
Byju's. Okay, and you are on your job role, and you are going to a parent to sell some product. Okay, and now I will be a parent. Okay, and I'll be putting some conditions in front of you. Okay,
Okay.
so suppose if you are coming to my house to sell Byju's application, okay. So in Byju's,
Yes,
every
sir.
lecture is in English. Okay? There is no Hindi lecture in Byju's.
Okay.
Okay. But my
Okay.
child is a Hindi medium student. Okay. He
Okay.
doesn't know, like he doesn't know English, anything. He doesn't know even to write English, even to speak English. Okay. He is very weak in English. Okay. So
Okay. And
now
we
you are
don't
coming
have
to
a
my
Hindi
house
language.
to sell Byju's. No, we don't
Okay.
have a Hindi language in Byju's. Okay. So now you are coming to my house and I am raising a question that if my child don't know English, then why should I buy
Okay.
Byju's? So what will be your
Okay, sir.
approach?
Okay, so my approach will be like, okay, so first I will tell them the importance of English. At the start, I will tell them that how
Tell me.
important
I'm the
English is.
parent. I'm the
Okay,
parent.
so okay,
Tell
so
me.
okay, okay. Okay, sir, let me tell you that English is very important nowadays. So we have only English
Okay.
language in our application because in future
Okay.
your child because in future your child have to go like for competitive exams or to colleges, and it is very much important to know the English language. So using our app, your student will able to understand English. Like it will be not happen like in 2 3 days, it will take a time, but as we are having like analytics tools, so by using that tools we can analyze your student, and from that we can start his course. Like we are having different courses, so we will start from the basic, so he can understand like
So
simple
Ishwar,
English, and afterward.
so
Yeah.
Ishwar, I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. I'll give my child 1 year to learn English. Okay. I am making him to go to an English institute where he can learn English. Okay. And after 1 year, I'll take Byju's. Once he is
I
familiar with
think,
English,
sir.
once he knows English, I'll take Byju's.
Okay. So I want to tell you one thing that, sir, 1 year is a very big time, and he can miss
Okay.
many opportunities. Like it is very much important to like do things on time. Like you will take 1 year for learning English, and instead of that, you can just buy our app, and he can also understand English, and he can also learn. Like there will be no waste of time, and you can also save money. Like after a year we may have like more cost of our product. So I will be like I think you will have a better option than
Okay.
going for an institute.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. So my second question to you will be, Ishwar. Suppose if I am already, like my child is already studying from a IIT graduate. Okay. He has a coaching, like he is
Okay.
doing coaching from a IIT graduate. Okay. And he is performing very well. He is scoring good. So now why should I
Okay.
take Byju's?
Okay, sir. So, sir, let me tell you, sir, like nowadays the coaching institute are giving like lot of fees. Like coaching institute are having a lot of fees, and we are giving a video lectures which are easier to understand than compare with the offline lectures. So I think your
Okay.
child, yeah, as I know that he is good, he's scoring good, but here we can here you can analyze your student to the like country performance. Like we can compare your child's score to all India rank. Like he can get the all India rank to analyze himself. So it will be a better if he studies in our through our app.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ishwar, I think we're done with the interview. Okay. And we'll take some time to analyze your interview because we have a separate team. So we'll get your interview checked with the team. Okay.